today. This is a Hamilton 20-gallon scrape agitated kettle. It's a single motion with twin baffles inside with a variable speed drive. As you can see, it has a fully jacketed body. It's rated for 40 psi at 267. Jim, come on in, let's get a look inside here. It also has a flush seating 2-inch sanitary PBM ball valve underneath. It has scrapers around the discharge, which is nice to have. You can see the two baffles in there on each side. They're 5 by 9 inches, and you can turn them into any position you want. The unit also has a 1 horsepower variable speed drive. I'm going to turn the speed up a little bit for you there. It's manually operated. It also has an explosion-proof motor, which is Underwriters Laboratory rated for Class 1 Group D. It goes down from about, I think it's about 14 to about 50 RPM, so it's a real nice range. It also, as you notice, at the top of the kettle, has a mounting up there for a clamp-type fixture, which you could easily operate while the agitator is running because of the anchor design. It's all stainless steel construction, of course, out of food grade service.